सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Chapter 16, verse number 7. प्रवृत्तिं च निवृत्तिं च जना न विदुरासुराः न शौचं नापि चाचारः न सत्यं तेषु विद्यते. Lord Krishna, dealing with the topic of Daivi Sampat and Asuri Sampat. Daivi Sampat means virtues or the righteous way of life. Dharmika Jivanam, a wealth with full of divine qualities like love, respect, humility, tolerance, accommodation, forgiving nature, etc. Like that, they all come under Daivi Sampat. And opposite to those virtues, all are negative side, if you see, they are all called Asuri Sampat. Kamam, Krodham, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsaryam, all are Asuri Sampat. By having which virtues, Daivi Sampat, a person can attain the highest benefit, that is Shanti. Parama Shanti he attains. By having the virtues, love, affection, respect, forgiving nature, humility, that person will become a divine person. Shanti, Ananda will take place. On the other hand, this side, negative tendencies, all adharmic, what you can call vasanas, evil-mindedness, with desire, anger, jealousy, hatred, vengeance. With this type of mind, a person will never get internal peace, Shanti, or Ananda. That is the consequence. In this present life, Lord Krishna is going to say what is going to happen in the next birth also. If you have virtues, what about the future life? What type of future life, future janma you get? If you have this evil mind nature, Asuri Sampat, what is your next birth? That also he is going to say in the following slokas. Now Lord Krishna elaborately explaining what nature, Asuric nature. Asura means, what is the definition of Asura? Asushu Ramante iti Asuraha. Asura is none other than, among human beings only there are Asuras. Who are they? Indulging in sense pleasures all the time. Desire for sense pleasures. They want to get sense pleasures and they want to indulge in sense pleasures. That is the goal of life. How to enjoy the life. That is called Asuric nature. sense organs. Asushu means sense organs. In sense organs, sense pleasures. Once you have that type of mind, if any person is having, and the bhoga vadam, this is called materialistic view. Bhoga vada means always we want to enjoy. That's what we are seeing in the present society. Bhoga vadam. This bhoga vada, a person who talks about all the time, he do not know what to do, what not to do. Pravrittincha, nivrittincha. Pravritti means vidhi. What is Shastra is prescribing, pravritti. Eedubaattunu solluvaanla Tamil. Towards which, what are all things you have to go forward. From what are all things you have to withdraw, nivritti. Pravritti, going towards certain things. Nivritti means coming back or withdrawing from certain things. Pravritti and nivritti. This person do not know what are good to be done, what are not good to be avoided. Pravrittincha nivrittincha. 7th shloka we were seeing. Asuraha janaha. These evil-minded people, materialistic people, na viduhu. They do not know. And they do not have shaucham, cleanliness. Cleanliness at 3 levels. Shaucha means cleanliness or orderliness. Cleanliness at physical level, that is very gross level, first thing. That is also so-so. But most important cleanliness or orderliness is at verbal level, vak shuddhi. Vak shuddhi, pure words, good words, noble words, they have to speak. But these asuric people mouth lande shuddhamana vartaye varad. So all abusing words, all amangalam words, inauspicious words will come from the mouth. Father says, if you shout at your children, anybody shout at their own children, kaludai anu sonna enna artham? Edho kopathila kaludai anu solluvan. Adu enna vak shuddhi illanu artham. Bastard, and just they use these words. Bastard. All these types of words should not come from the mouth. Kaludaiyoda appa enna aduva? அது தெரியாது அவருக்கு, தெரியாமலே சொல்லிடுவார். அப்படி சொல்லலாமான்னு ஷெனின்னு சொல்லுவான். இது ஜெனரலி வெரி லூஸ்லி யூஸ். நீங்க ஷெனின்னு சொல்லுவான், குழந்தைன்னு ஷெனின்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது, அது அமங்கலமான வார்த்தை. பெய்யன்னு சொல்லுறது, ஷெனின்னு சொல்லுறது. சுவாமி இதெல்லாம் சொல்லாதுங்க, ரொம்ப கேஷுவல், இதெல்லாமே சகஜம். பட் சாஸ்திரா நெவர் அக்செப்ட். Whatever is casual to you, very, very natural to you, Shastra says, these are all called amangalam. நிஜமாவே சனி ஆயிடுவான், நிஜமாவே பெய்ய ஆயிடுவான். அதனால எது எது நம்ம சொல்றோமோ வார்த்தை, அதுல ததாஸ்து ததாஸ்துன்னு சொல்லிட்டே இருப்பா தேவதாஸ். So if you say like that, நிஜமா ததாஸ்துன்னு அப்படியே நடக்கட்டும், அப்படியே நடக்கட்டும், they will bless you. வேணுமா அந்த மாதிரி blessing? Therefore, shaucham at verbal level. Much more important is mental level, thought level. இது இன்னும் கஷ்டம். வெர்பல் லெவலே நம்ம கண்ட்ரோல் பண்றது கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. லூஸ் டங் அన్నమాట, வெரி லூஸ் டங், பிளேமிங் அதர்ஸ் வெரி ஈஸிலி. The mental level also, மானசிகமா thinking in an inappropriate manner about others. Thinking in an inappropriate manner or in a wrong way with misconception, doubting, that way of any second person vanduna first doubt da varum. First, that person, evvada nallavana irundhanu sare, even such a noble person also will doubt. This type of mind anamata. This is called evil mind ani solluva. Evil mind anna ennamo adu peyi pisacham kediyadu. A human being mind, which mind always think the negative side of that person, negative side of others, always that probing into that only. Such mind is a sick mind. No, it is happening, Swamini, because we are nourishing it. Why it happens? We are nourishing it. No, this is not good. This negative thinking about others all the time, doubting, blaming, criticizing, all this, who is the loser? Whole amangalam, body will, mind, whole thing will become amangalam. Ashaucham. Manasu vandi or ashauchamana manasayidam. Therefore, you have to think such, maintain those thoughts which are healthy, hygienic thoughts. But maintain pandanam. You should not nourish them, you should not nurture such thoughts, even they arise. A red signal varanam manasukulla. If any evil thought, weak thought, negative thoughts are coming, immediately red signal should come. No, this I should not encourage. This I should not encourage. I should not carry away by this thought. Because more and more negative thoughts, all these thoughts make me more and weaker and weaker. I should be alert, vigilant. So therefore, Shaucham, these Vasurik people don't have that. Na Shaucham, na api acharaha. There is no implementation at all. There is no implementation. Achara, a religious life is not there in artham. Religious life means from morning to till night, a systematic or a program. Systematic program performing Panchamaha Yajnas. Achara. What Shastra says, Pannu, idi pannu, vidhi. Do this. That is called implementing, that is called Achara. Service, serving to others, and taking care of my own body, atmosphere, and taking care of family members, taking care of society, taking care of nature, free from selfishness and artham. Such a person implements. Why many people are not able to implement? What is the reason, There is a law. They apply this law. This implementation illamale poradhukku enna kaaranam anna, and the law they apply anvaya vetireka. That logic also not true. What they are applying logic because of their ignorance. What is that logic, Yatra yatra dhanam, tatra tatra sukham. Wherever there is money, there is happiness. This is Anvaya. Co-presence. Dhana sattve, sukha sattvam. If there is money, I can have lot of sukha, ananda. This is the law they apply here. Generally people. Nariya panam irundha, nariya sukham. Adnala enna pannanum? Earn money. This is what they anvaya, they do. Yatra yatra dhanam, tatra tatra sukham. Yatra yatra dhana abhavaha. Wherever there is no money, if I am a poor person, if I don't have money, yatra yatra dhana abhavaha, tatra tatra. And that time, at that place, I don't have sukham. There is unhappiness. This is called vetireka, co-absence. Dhana abhave, sukha abhavaha. Dhana millenna, sukha mille. Kaseda, adi neenga fill up pannungo. Kaseda, kadavulada. So, dhanasatve sukhasattvam, dhanabhave sukhabhavaha. This is the general convention of 99.99% of that whole society. But very rare in thousands, one person recognize this is not true. This logic is not true. Very highly mature person only recognize this fact. Very, very mature person. Not ordinary mature also. Highly mature person only can understand. Yatra yatra dhanasatve tatra tatra sukhasattvam will fail. It is not true. This logic will fail. How can you say? Artham anartham bhavaya nityam. There are many people, in spite of lot of wealth, richness, they are all suffering. In spite of that, they are suffering. So your logic failed there. In spite of richness, lot of money is there, but he is not having sukham. Then what about your logic? Gone. On the other hand, what is your second logic? Yatra yatra dhana abhavaha tatra tatra dukkham. Sukham abhavaha. You are telling. This logic also fail. If there is no money, there is no sukham. People are telling. But Shastra says the mature person recognize Sura mandira taru moola nivasaha shayya bhutala majinam vasaha yatra brahmani ramate chittam nandati nandati nandatyeva. There is a person who is sitting under the tree, not having any possessions, relations, transactions. There is no balance at all, bank balance. There is no property, there is no kutti kolanda ellame kadiyadu. Sura mandira taru moola nivasa shayya bhutalam. There is no spring cot bed also. Nobody is there to give coffee, honey, nobody is calling. Shayya bhutalam azinam vasaha. There is no, there are no many clothes also. Very simple life he is living. Yatra brahmani ramate chittam. Their mind is totally dwelling in Paramatma. Nandati nandati. அவனுக்கிட்ட பைசா இல்லப்பா, ஆனந்தமா இருக்கானே. அப்படி உன்னுடைய லாஜிக் ஃபெயில் ஆயிடுதே. There are people very poor, don't have anything for tomorrow. What about my life, food? They don't have anything. But that person happily sleeps, nicely enjoy. And then how is it possible? Therefore your logic here failed. So that wherever money there is sukham, that is not true. Where there is no money there is dukkha is also not true. Real sukha, dukkha because of your mind. Why I am telling this much? We are spending our whole energy, physical energy, mental energy, everything only to earn money, lifelong. Struggling. சேர்த்து வச்சுக்கிறதே ஒரே வேலை. என்னடா வேலைன்னா ஒன்றும் இல்லை சுவாமி, சேர்த்து வச்சுக்கணும். Who will take care of me later? இப்போ ஏதாவது டிசீஸ் வந்தால் என்ன ஆகும், ஸ்கேன் பண்ணணும்னா என்ன ஆகும், எம்ஆர்ஐ இதெல்லாம் எடுக்கணும்னா என்ன ஆகும், இது முன்னாடியே கணக்கு பண்ணி ஒன்று ஒரு 10,000 அதுக்கு 10,000 இதுக்கு எல்லாம் கணக்கை வச்சு எல்லாம் இல்லாத டிசீஸுக்கு வராத டிசீஸுக்கு கணக்கு போட்டு லிஸ்ட் போட்டு பணம் வச்சிருக்காரு ரெடியா. இதெல்லாம் பகவான் பார்த்துட்டே இருப்பார் மேல வந்து. உனக்கு ஐ ஹாவ் கிவன் எ குட் ஹெல்த். யூ ஆர் திங்கிங் அபவுட் டிசீஸ் அண்ட் யூ ஆர் சேவிங் த மணி ஃபார் தட் டிசீஸ். ஓகே, ஸ்பெண்ட் தட் மணி. ஓகே, ஆல் த பெஸ்ட்ன்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்துடுவார் டிசீஸ். இது தேவையா? This is what happening. You are seeing now people now thinking like that. This is what materialistic life. In spite of that money, in spite of long sighted program, they have earned so much, but they are not happy. What they have? Worry, anxiety, tension. Yen asuraha acharaha eva nasti. Dharma acharam, dharmam In my duty to perform, this is right, this is Shastra says. I have to take care of. That achara is not there. Just as the person is body-wise sick, if he is having any sickness in the body, he cannot live happily. Similarly, if dharma is not there, taken care of, the society also will become sick. A sick person cannot do anything. Similarly, if I live in a sick society which is not having dharma, achara is not there, that society can never give security to me, ananda to me. So dharma anushtanam, achara is important, implementation. Tons of theory, no. Tons of theory vendappa, ounce of practice is greater than, enna pudusa irukka quotation, ounce of practice is superior than tons of theory. பேசிண்டே இருப்போம், அப்படி இப்படி இப்படி. என்ன நீ என்ன பண்றேன் உள்ள டெய்லி? நான் ஒன்றும் பண்றது இல்லை, இப்படி பண்ண நல்லா இருக்கும்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். நினைக்கிறத பண்றது பெட்டர் இல்லையோ? நினைக்கிறத விட கொஞ்சம் இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்றது பெட்டர். ஸோ ounce of practice, கொஞ்சம் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணப்ப நீங்க ஜாஸ்தியா பண்ண வேண்டாம். But these asuric people, materialistic people, they never follow achara. Na shaucham, na acharaha, na satyam. They don't have the satyam also. Another shloka, there is a beautiful shloka. Achara hina na punanti vedaha. Achara hinaha. If a person is not having acharam, அந்த மடி ஆச்சாரம் என்னதான் சொல்லுவான். அதெல்லாம் மடி ஆச்சாரம் எதுக்காகனா ஹெல்த்துக்காக தான். மடி ஆச்சாரம் இருந்தால் ரொம்ப ஆர்த்தடாக்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுவான். ஆர்த்தடாக்ஸ் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது, இதெல்லாம் ஃபார் யுவர் ஹைஜீன் சேக் ஓன்லி தே கெப்ட். மடி ஆச்சாரம் தான் எதுக்காக வச்சிருக்கான்னு, ஓன்லி ஃபார் ஹெல்தி அட்மாஸ்பியர். ஆச்சார ஹீனஹ, இஃப் ஆச்சார இஸ் நாட் தேர், ந புனந்தி வேதாஹ. வேதாஸ் cannot protect him. Vedas cannot help him. Maybe I am having lot of books in my house, cupboard lo. என்ன நாராயணம், திருமந்திரம், திருவாச்சகம், திருவெம்பாவை, திருப்பாவை, எல்லா பாவை எல்லாம் இருக்கு. ஆனா மனசுக்குள்ள ஒரு குழப்பமா இருக்கு. என்ன அதுல சொன்ன ஒரு வார்த்தையாவது நான் இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ணலாமே இல்லையோ? டெய்லி ஜபம் பண்ணு, டெய்லி பூஜை பண்ணு, டெய்லி ஒரு சர்வீஸ் பண்ணு, இதெல்லாம் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் இல்லையோ? ஸோ அனுஷ்டானம். Na punanti vedaha. If you have Bhagavad Gita will not just protect you. Bhagavad Gita lo chonnade implement pannanum. Na acharahina punanti na punanti vedaha yathapyadhita sa षड्भिरङ्गैः. Yatha api adhitaha. Even though he has studied shastras, षड्भिः अङ्गैः, 6 angas. There are ancillary subjects, Siksha, Kalpam, Vyakaranam, Niruktam, Chandas, Jyotisham. If you study all these angams also, in spite of that study, scholarly shape, you cannot be protected by Veda because you have no achara. Acharana. Next line says, Chandamsi yenam mrityukale tyajanti. Chandamsi. Whatever you study, Vyakaranam, Chandas or Jyotisham or any sort of music, Sangeetam, lot of all these arts, whatever you study, whatever you do, puja, vratam and all, if you do only for selfish ends, that also not nishkamataya. Just doing like that, some selfish motive. That chandamsi yenam mrityukale tyajanti. They will go away at the time of death. They will not come and protect you either to higher loka or to moksha. Chandamsi yenam mrityukale tyajanti. Just as he gives an example. Needam shekunta iva jatapakshaha. Needam shekunta iva jatapakshaha means once that shekunta, the bird, gets the wings. Pakshaha means wings. If the wings comes, Jatam means born. The wings come. What will do that bird? Needam tyajanti. It gives up that nest. It will flew away from the nest. Adi madri Vedas also will not bless this person who is not having achara. At the time of death, they all go away, but dharmam will not come along with this person. பண்ணதானே வரதுக்கு எல்லாம் தெரியும் சுவாமி, எனக்கு எல்லாம் தெரியும், ஆனா என்னென்ன பண்ண டைம் இல்லைன்னா. This information is not for information's sake. Information I have to implement. Transformation's sake. The transformation's sake I have to do. Why they are not doing? Because there is no visible benefit. That's why they don't do. They don't do. Artha kama are visible. Artha kama gives external benefit immediately. Whereas dharma கண்ணுக்கே தெரியாது, அது எப்போ மோட்சம் கொடுக்க போறதான். கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாத ஒரு தர்மம் மோட்சம், இது இன்டர்னல் லெவல். Therefore many people never show their attention towards dharma and moksha, which are invisible. Everybody show their attention towards what? Which are visible, artha kama. But this artha kama are not going to give total peace and happiness. This is called short-sightedness. But this is long-sightedness. Short-sightedness, long-sightedness, and asuras are short-sighted. Daivi sampat people are all long-sighted. They see the next janma, next janma, next janma ka ipave they are accumulating lot of dharma, punyam. Next shloka we'll read. Asatyam apratishthante jagadahuranishwaram aparaspara sambhutam kimanyat kamahaitukam. Further, Lord Krishna presenting the view of that asuras, the view of a demonic nature people, or the view of materialistic people, bhautikavadam or bhogavada view, how they think and what they say. Te ahuhu, they say, Jagat asatyam iti ahuhu. This world is without truth. Asatyam, without truth. Asatyam, Jagat asatyam, untruth. Jagat is untruth. Asatyam. Swamini, நம்ம வேதாந்தம்ல கூட அதுதானே சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கோம். சந்தேகம் வந்ததோ? அதுதான் நல்லது. We also say Advaita philosophy lo kuda Vedanta class lo what we say, world is mithya, world is untruth, it is not true. This lokayatikaha, these people who are all bhautikavada people, charvakas like people also saying the whole world is untruth. It is not true at all. அப்ப என்ன difference for them and for us? We have to note here, Jagat has no, when we say Jagat is mithya, untruth, Jagat has no independent existence. அந்த அர்த்தத்தில் சொல்றோம் நம்ம. Jagat means universe. Universe means whatever I am seeing, the whole universe in front of me, it has no independent existence or swatantra satta nasti. Therefore it is mithya. This is our view, Vedantic view. It has no independent existence, therefore Jagat mithya. In the context of Dharma Shastra, இது Brahma Shastram, இது ஜகத் மித்யான்னு சொல்றது பாரமார்த்திக திருஷ்டியா, ஜெகத் மித்யானது பிரம்ம வித்யா திருஷ்டியா. ஃப்ரம் தர்மசாஸ்திர திருஷ்டி இஃப் யூ see, அசத்தியம் மீன்ஸ் in the context of dharmashastram, asatya means telling lies. Telling lies. பொய் சொல்லுறது அசத்தியம். This world is without truth. That means what? என்ன இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம்? இந்த ஜெகத்துல என்ன இருக்குன்னா பொய் தான் இருக்கு. இல்ல லை நல்ல கலியுகம்லோ யூ கேன் டாக் சோ மெனி லைஸ். என்ன பர்மிஷன் ஏதோ வாங்கி வந்த மாதிரி. சுவாமினி we are in Kaliyuga, so therefore we should not see all those things. They compromising. In Kaliyuga, there is no truth at all. பொய் சொன்னாதான் what you can survive. சொல்லி கொடுப்பான். They teach to the children also. அப்பப்போ பொய் சொல்லணும். அப்பப்போ என்ன அர்த்தம்னா எப்பவுமே சொல்லுன்னு அர்த்தம். பரவாயில்லப்பா, டு சர்வைவ் திஸ் இஸ் ஆல்சோ பார்ட் ஆஃப் லைஃப். பார்ட் ஆஃப் லைஃப் nowadays. And at what extent we have come down, you think? Or last class, previous class I told you, last class I don't know, I said in Krita Yuga truth is on 4 legs. In Treta Yuga truth is on 2 legs. In Dwapara Yuga truth is on 3 legs. 1 leg இல்ல, 2 legs. 4 காலு. கிருத்தயுகம், திரேதாயுகம் 3 காலு, துவாபரயுகம் 2 காலு. அப்போ இன்னொரு காலு பாக்கி இருக்க. 4வது கலியுகம்னா ஒரு காலம் மேல நிக்கிறது இந்த சத்தியம் தர்மம் எல்லாமே. somebody is asking me, சுவாமினி அந்த ஒரு காலு கூட இல்லையே. அந்த ஒரு காலு, அந்த 1/4 சத்தியம் கூட கிடையாது. அது எப்படி சாஸ்திரம் அப்படி சொல்லியிருக்கேன்னா சொன்னேன், இருக்கப்பா, அந்த 1/4 இஸ் தேர், த ட்ரூத் இஸ் தேர். இல்லைன்னா இந்த பிரளயமே வந்துடும். ட்ரூத் இஸ் தேர்ன்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஐ ஆம் இன்க்ளூடிங் மைசெல்ஃப் இன் தட். whoever says there is no truth, imagine, just for a side point, imagine, suppose you yourself come to conclusion, what? எல்லாரும் தான் பொய் தான் சொல்றான். whole Kaliyugam is பொய் தான். nobody is speaking truth. therefore இந்த எல்லாமே பொய் உலகம் தான் சொன்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? நான் கூட அதுல பாகமாயிடும். அப்படின்னா indirectly you are accepting, you are speaking lies. We never think this much, no? Whenever you say even society going so wrong way, ரொம்ப மோசமா இருக்க, சொசைட்டி ரொம்ப மோசமா இருக்க, அழுக்க இருக்க, டர்ட்டியா இருக்க, கரப்ஷன் இருக்க, அது இருக்க, where are you? You are in the society. Then you are also adharmic. You are also corrupting. Corruption is you are doing. Adulteration, corruption, everything, all evil things are there in you. No. That means what? In Kali Yuga also there is dharma. When can you say? When you follow, you can say that. Therefore, don't casually say this word. Okay? Maybe your family members may not recognize this subtlety inside. Bhagavan knows. Your inner conscience knows, no? Therefore, when you are uttering, என்ன சொல்லணும்னா தர்மம் இருக்க சத்தியம் இருக்கான்னு தான் மனசுல வந்துட்டே இருக்கணும். That is why whenever anybody come and asks you, உப்பு இருக்கான்னு கேட்டா என்ன சொல்லணும் தெரியுமா? பப்பு இருக்கான்னு சொல்லணும். உப்பு இல்லைன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாதா? பப்பு இருக்குன்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? உப்பு இல்லைன்னு அர்த்தம். this is called விருத்த வியவஹார. பப்பு இருக்க என்ன அர்த்தம்? இல்லைன்னு சொல்லாதே என்ன, இல்லைன்னு சொல்லாதே என்ன. உப்பு இருக்க உப்பு இல்லைன்னு சொல்லாது, பப்பு இருக்குன்னு சொல்லு. என்ன அர்த்தம்? You are indirectly telling உப்பு இல்லை. ஆனாலும் வார்த்தை சொல்லலை நீங்க வெளியில. This is called lakshyartha. புரியுறதா? This is called lakshyartha. How we learn this? By party. Tata party, they follow in this manner. Tata party followed another Vruddha Vyavahara. This is called Vruddha Vyavahara. You cannot see this in the textbooks and all. Therefore, anybody something they ask, illa nu sonna illamale poiduvan solli bayapadi நம்ம people என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, வேற ஏதோ இருக்கப்பா ன்னு சொல்லி அது கொடுப்பான். ஆனால் இது இல்லைன்னு சொல்லதை விட ஏதோ இருக்கிறது கொடுத்துடலாமே, வேணுமானா எடுத்துக்கோ, இல்லைன்னா இட் இஸ் யுவர் ஜாப், யுவர் விஷ், ஐ ஹாவ் திஸ் అని சொல்லிடுறான். அது எனக்கு தேவையில்லை அப்படி போயிடுவான். நல்லது தானே சுவாமினி, இது என்ன பாஷை சுவாமினி, எப்போ நடந்தது இது எல்லாமே தோணும் நமக்கு. திஸ் இஸ் வாட் மானவ ஜீவனம்னா இப்படி இருக்கணும். ஹியூமன் லைஃப்னா இந்த மாதிரி தான் ஒரு சாஸ்திரிக் பேஸ்டு லைஃப். ஓகே, நவ் அசத்தியம் ஜெகத். Here we says asatya means there is no truth at all in this world. Asuric people say like that. Apratishtham. There is no dharma also. The jagat is without dharmam. தர்மமே இல்லை நியாயமே இல்லைன்னு சொல்லிகிட்டே இருப்பான். ஏன் எதுக்கு சொல்கிறா தெரியுமோ? ஹி வாண்ட் டு எஸ்கேப். எப்படியாவது தானும் அதார்மிக்காக இருக்கிறதுக்கு இன் கோயிங் டு எ ராங் வே go on telling தர்மமே இல்லைன்னு சொல்லி முள்ளம் அது பக்கம் போகிறதுக்காக தான். திஸ் இஸ் another way of going towards wrong side. People, when they are going wrong side, adharmic side, they want to justify what they are going that side, the adharmic side. They say this side is not proper, it is not there, dharmam is not there, satyam is not there, therefore what? Therefore I go this side. Idija solra, I can't survive, I cannot live in this world. If you don't live, nothing will happen. There is a lot of population, why you are worrying about your existence? No, I want to live in. Dharma is not there. Asuric people, they say no dharmam at all. Anishwaram, there is no God also. Without God, this jagat is without truth, without dharma, without God. But who created this world? Who created? My parents created. Who created you? My parents. Aparaspara sambhutam. Aparaspara sambhutam means we are born out of union of the male and female. This is what their vadam. நீ எப்படி வந்தப்பா? என்ன வந்தான்? மேல் ஃபீமேல், ஃபாதர் மதர், their conjugal relation, I am born. இதுக்கு ஈஸ்வரன் எதுக்கு? Kamahaitukam, born out of desire. I am born out of desire in one male and a female, the parents, I am born. இதுக்கு ஈஸ்வரன் எதுக்கு? அவங்க டிசைர் வந்தது, நான் பிறந்தேன். லாஜிக் கரெக்டாக இருக்கு இல்லையா? அவர் சில்ட்ரன் என்ன அம்மா நல்லா தலையாடிடுவான். ஸ்டில் we are half nodding. நம்ம பாட்டையெல்லாம் நாட் பண்ண மாட்டேன், நம்ம ஹாஃப் நாடிங்ல இருக்கோம். நம்ம சில்ட்ரன் வந்து ஃபுல் நாடிங். எஸ், கரெக்ட். Out of desire only I am born. If you see externally, this is true. This is true. It appears as though true. But this is not true. Kim anyat kamahaitukam. It says, Kim anyat. What else is there other than this desire? Kamahaitukam. The world caused by desire alone. If they don't have desire, I would have not come. Will you? That's why some children ask, who asked you to give birth to me? Who asked you to give birth? என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் வந்தப்போ, ஏதாவது சீட் கிடைக்கல காலேஜில், ஏதாவது மார்க்ஸ் குறைச்சின்னு இருக்க, ஏதாவது டிசீஸ் வந்து, some hereditary disease, why you have given birth to me? They will ask, because of you only, no, I born. Who asked you to give birth to me? What answer you give? பாத்திரம் போய் கிச்சனுக்கு போய் கூட ஒரு கிளாஸ் டம்ளர் வாட்டர் எடுக்கணும், அவ்வளோதான். அண்ட் ஆன்சர் யூ கிவ். Skimanyat. What is the cause? By desire alone there. We are all born. What else is there? There is nothing else. Aparaspara sambhutam. There is no Ishvara. There is no Dharma. There is no Satyam. Enna irukkanna? In the desire da irukke. Therefore the whole creation is taking place. In the animals it is there. In insects also it is there. In human beings also it is there. It's a biological desire. It's taking place. Therefore I have come. Tomorrow what you do now? I also do the same thing. Therefore I give birth to my children also. They talk like this. Ahuhu. Te ahuhu. Te means what? Asuraha. They talk in this manner. Next shloka. Etam drishtimavashtabhyam नष्टात्मानोऽल्पबुद्धयः प्रभवन्त्युग्रकर्माणः क्षयाय जगतो हिताः. एतां दृष्टिं. Such a view, etam drishti means said above view. There is no Satyam, there is no Dharma, there is no God. Anishwaram means what? Ishwaran illai. In the view. Etam drishtim avashtabhya, holding this view in their mind. Alpa buddhayaha, these people, indiscriminate people, alpa buddhi anna, very very alpam anna, romba immature mind anna, immature intellect, indiscriminate intellect. Alpa buddhayaha nashtatmanaha, because of that indiscrimination they are lost spiritually. Nashtatmanaha, spiritually lost. Nasta means loss. There is a great loss. If I miss the infinite, the loss is infinite. If I miss the infinite Brahman, loss is not ordinary loss. The loss is also infinite loss. Koncham nashtam illa. Mahanashtam anartham. So if I miss that spiritual life, spiritual orientation, Atma Jnanam, Moksha, if I miss in this Janma, and then spending more time only for the survival of this body, and telling, if I stay, I am dharmikana irundha podum, na nallavana irundha podum, if I have good thoughts podum, adi sareppa, adi irukkanum. But that is not the ultimate, That is a means, refinement sake only, that is. There are people who justify themselves. I am a good person, I am a sane person in the society. I don't want any Shastra, study and all. They say like that. Because since I am a good person, God will come and take me to Swarga, Vaikunta. Why? Because I am a good person, He has to take me. What to say? Nashtatmanaha. Spiritually, they fall. And they will enter into another womb. He says goodness alone is not sufficient. That is only for refinement of your mind. Internal refinement sake only. Every good person cannot become a Jnani, but every Jnani is a good person. Every good person need not be a Jnani. He do not know what is his real nature. That means he is having Deha Abhimana, Anatma Abhimana is there. As long as you have Ajnanam. But you are a good person, Ajnanam continues. Ignorance itself is Mahapapam. According to Shastra. After getting human birth also, you continue in ignorance, it is a Papam. So, this theriyana Shastra padikkanum. So therefore, Shastra படிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் ஆத்ம ஞானம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் இந்த பாபம் போயிடும். So, etam drishtim avashtabhya alpabuddhayah nashtatmanah. Because of this asuri sampat, what they do? Ugra karmanaha prabhavanti. They take to cruel actions. Ahitaha jagataha ahitaha ugra karmanaha prabhavanti, which are all not good for the society. Jagataha ahitaha means the enemies of the world. They become the enemies of the world by doing all inimical actions to the public. Unhealthy actions, wrong actions, which are not good for the society. Therefore, we say this science advance, technology, lot of ammunitions, that weapons they are creating nowadays. The scientific advancement, atom bomb, so many things are coming to destroy the whole world. You can destroy. Or atom bomb podum. This is scientific development. Scientific development is more dangerous. It is a curse if there is no dharma in the society. Scientific equipments or developments anywhere in the world, any country, it is a curse to that country and curse to the whole universe. That's what Iraq now, America, all other Western countries, full of scientific technology, advanced countries, but they are the threat to the whole human beings' harmony. They are the threat to the whole global harmony, disharmonic threat. Apdi enna artham? They are creating disharmony. All are well educated. All are well educated. Man of letters and chalva. Man of letters anna vidwan. Well educated, qualified, but dharmam illa. Their knowledge, their inventions, always they use for the destruction of the whole world. They use their knowledge for the destruction only. They never do any constructive work. Now you saw Israel, Iraq, what is happening in other countries. What is this? Terrorists, militants? It is a sign of threat. No? It is a curse to humanity. So, they are called Rakshasaha. Saksharaha, man of letters. Saksharaha na aksharaihi saha. Padichinavan. Ella padichi aksharaihi saha. Man of letters. Educated. Well educated. Well informed. Ellame theriyum. ஒரு சுவிட்ச் போட்டு அப்படியே ப்ரெஸ் பண்ண போகணும். டம்மான ஒரு ஏர்கிராஃப்ட் ஓவர் ஃபினிஷ் இன்ட்டு ஆஷஸ். அப்பா என்ன பிரெயினுப்பா, என்ன பிரெயின், எதுக்கு என்ன? டு கில் 300 people in the aircraft. What a genius brain. என்ன சாட்சரா. இப்போ அவன் பண்ண வேலை என்னென்ன? ராட்சச கிருத்தியம். ராட்சச கிருத்தியம் அதுதான் நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு இப்போ. So science is a threat if there is no dharma. Science is a boon if there is dharma. What we want, we the Bharatiyas want dharma as well as science put together. Then, and the science is a weapon, you know how to handle it. Suppose you do not know how to handle the knife. Unnu kai kodutha enna pannuvel? You hurt yourself. You should know how to handle it properly. Every atom bomb is like a weapon, no, like a knife. If you do not know how to handle it, it hurts you. That society people, that country people also will be destroyed, and other whole humanity will also will perish. That's krura karmanaha. Ugra karmana, horrible actions they do. Horrible actions. Human bomb. Ennadi? Human bomb. Now tell me, human bomb is a contribution to the society? அது எப்படிதான் பண்றா சுவாமி? அது ஒரு பெரிய கிரேட்னஸ் அதுக்குள்ள. It shows how much there is a devil nature in the person. It is not contribution, that is more horrible action. Ugra karmanaha ahitaha jagataha. lot of pollution, see, pollution, air pollution, water pollution, deforestation, including our, they say, the AC, fridge and all, they create the CFC, some chemical produce pannuma. And the carbon and produce panna, it go and destroy that ozone layer which protects the ultraviolet rays. If because of this AC, what we are using, it destroy the ozone layer. Which ozone layer is protecting the ultraviolet rays not to come to the earth? Because of that ultraviolet rays, they are coming to the earth. There is a cancer problem. This cancer disease is coming everywhere because of this ozone destruction. Why ozone has gone? Because of this type of frizz and all. இப்போ சொல்லுங்க, இது கான்ட்ரிபியூஷனா? என்ன கான்ட்ரிபியூஷன்? நமக்கே தெரியாது என்னென்ன நடக்கிறது. ஈவன் பிளாஸ்டிக் திங்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. Puja Swamiji is telling few days before, this red meat and cow, beef and all they eat, no? This red meat is the cause for the global warming. அது எங்க red meat, எங்க global warming? They proved this. They have done research. And the whole glacier is melting because of this lot of chemicals they are pouring into the ocean and deforestation, global warming, melting the whole glacier. Once the glacier melt, after a few centuries, you don't see Ganga river. Even it is a perennial river, how much we are advanced, Ganga perennial river also dry up. Kaveri, Yamuna, all are going to dry in future. Our kutti kolandella, your great grandchildren alla appada Swamini, appada bayamba irukena. Idudha adharmam, ugra karmana hanna idudha. This is because of human selfish ends. There is no limitation for this selfishness. They are called Rakshasaha, Asuraha. Educated. Saksharaha became Rakshasaha. Ahitaha, Jagataha, Ahitaha. Kshayaya, for the destruction of the world, they become the cause. Next shloka we will read. Kamamashritya dushpuram dambhamanamadhanvitaham mohat grihitva sadgrahanam pravartante shuchivrataha. This Vedic education, Vedic view of life to be given to the children in young age itself. Then only they will take care of all these things. It is going to harm to my next generations. I should not do this. Any violent action, if I hurt anybody anywhere, it disturbs the whole harmonia. Even your thought also, telepathy. Thought also disturbs, creates a disharmony in the society, in the cosmos. Thought disturb pannadi cosmos and what to talk of words and actions. Challaduma? Therefore, my disturbance ke anxiety ke ellathukkume kaaranam enna, there is a outer disturbance also, inner disturbance also. Inner disturbance at my thinking level, outer disturbance because of other person's thinking pattern. The anxiety, worry, disturbance, oppression, depression, because of two reasons. Other person or external person's thought pattern and my thought pattern. The thought only I come as a words, and that words only I am going to implement as actions. அதனால ப்ராப்ளம் எல்லாம் எங்கே ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுறதுன்னா தாட் லெவலில் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுறது. தாட் லெவலில் நம்ம கரெக்ட் பண்ண மாட்டோம், ஏன்னா அவளை நோட்டிஃபை பண்ண மாட்டோம். அது வெர்பலுக்கு ஆக்ஷன் லெவலுக்கு வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் அது பிகம் ஹேபிட் டு அஸ். அது விட முடியாது. ஆல்கஹால் ஆகட்டும், ஸ்மோக்கிங் ஆகட்டும், ஈட்டிங் நான்வெஜ் ஆகட்டும், இது எல்லாமே ஹேபிட்டா எப்படி வந்ததுன்னா டிசைர் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தானே வந்தது. அந்த டிசைர் லெவல்ல நம்ம கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ண முடிய மாட்டேங்கிறது பீப்புளுக்கு. That's why they take all violent methods and cheating others. No? Lot of kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya, arishad vargas increase in full extent. Kamam ashritya. In asuras enna pannuva? They take shelter in desire. Kamam ashritya. Take to, resort to. What? Kamam. They resort to the desire. I want to fulfill desire. I want. So you see our old ancestors and all, I don't want. எனக்கு வேண்டான்னு சொல்லுவான். இப்ப என்ன சொல்றான்? எனக்கு வேணும் சொல்லுவான். தேவையில்லாதது கூட வேணும், தேவைப்படுமோன்னு சொல்லி வேணும். இப்ப இது ஒரு டைப் ஆஃப் மைண்ட். என்ன காமம் ஆசிரித்ய. எப்படிப்பட்ட காமம்? துஷ்பூரம். 10 desires are there. You fulfill 1 desire. அப்படி எத்தனை இருக்கணும்? 9 இருக்கணும். 2 desires you fulfill 8 இருக்கணும். 3 desires fulfilled 7 இருக்கணும் பாக்கி. So if you go on fulfilling 10 desires 0 ஆகணும் இல்லையோ? ஆக மாட்டேங்கிறது. 1 desire if you fulfill, இங்க கீழே 10 desire பக்கன ஒரு சுண்ணா வச்சுக்கோ. அப்போ 100 ஆயிடுது. ஒன்னு போயிடுச்சு பாப்பா 99 ஆயிடுதுன்னா இங்க. Second desire fulfilled, another 0, increasing denomination. Insatiable, dushpuram, you cannot fill up. You can never say போதும். அலம்புத்தியே வராது அந்த காமம்ல. அந்த காமமே அப்படிதான், அதனுடைய நேச்சரே அப்படி. That's why never allow the kama. Legitimate, moderate, shastra based, non-binding kama is permitted. நியாயபத்தமானது மிதமா வச்சுக்கோ, அது உன்னோட பைண்ட் பண்ணாது, நான் பைண்டிங். இப்ப அந்நியாயமா இம்மோடரேட்டா மிதிமீறி போகிறது நம்ம ஜாஸ்தியா, அது உனக்கு நல்லது இல்லை, யாருக்குமே நல்லது இல்லை. கிராபிங், அதான் ஆச்சரியம். காமம் லீட்ஸ் டு குரோதா, குரோதா லீட்ஸ் டு லோபா, greediness. You can satisfy a person who have a legitimate moderate desire, but you cannot satisfy a greedy person. நமக்கு அறியாமல் இந்த greediness, the biggest enemy in our own personality, greediness, and making our life only miserable. This miserliness, again matsariyam, all this lobha, moha, delusion, all these are enemies, internal enemies. So dambham, manam, madam, anvitaha, they are endowed with, they are full of pretension, ostentation or vanity, pride. Dambham, manam, madam. Madam means haughtiness. I'm only going to do anything, I can do anything whatever I want. That's dambha, mana, mada, anvitaha, endowed with. With this, what they do? They take all wrong ways. And they suffer, and they make others also to suffer. Therefore what? Hey Arjuna, don't go that side. What side? Materialistic side. Kaseda, kadavulada ille, Bhagavani, my life goal. And cholladam. Purusha arthaha. Purusha means human being. Arthaha means goal. Moksha is my goal. With Daivik Sampad, you have to turn your attention. More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.